Guardian is so crazy that I think it will suck a mana.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly. You need that mana on phase 3.
It needs to be clean, yeah.
Engineer going down, pick up the bombs, go. Bombs on the ground, go.
Get ranged.
Get this engineer down, please. The one marked with skull.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
Who feared them?
Call in more security!
Okay, swap side. Furnace engineer with skulls really low.
Just gonna die halfway.
Guys!
Pop it.
We lost.
Okay, get far away from that furnace, better more prearranged. Make sure you don't die from it to interposition. Go. It's over. Good side, watch it. Okay, so tank, watch the big guy. Kill it quickly.
The Fury has broken free!
Move the weak guy away from the shield, please.
Quick, get it under control!
Good job. Get all the ads down. Get the slack element on near. Okay, let's go. And get ready to nuke.
Guys, don't use heals not necessary. Just regenerate. Here.
Go, go. Fire colors up. Job, good fight. Get the next level under the cloak.
QB, please move to the elementalist with the slag elemental.
QB, it's on you. Move, please. Yep, there. Guys, focus up if it's on you or not. Ready to go. New fire colors up. Get it down.
No, we've missed it.
What was up with that? Why? Get the fire
think
colors down.
lots
Stick
of
elemental. It's fine. Get the fire colors down and the stack elemental near. They're winning down now. Okay.
One is fixated on me.
Wait, get the fire colors. The fire colors first. Fire colors, guys. Cross as well.
Shield is going down.
Job. Go nuts. Very good recovery. Get the skull. New fire colors. Get him down and get a slack element near. Get a slack element on elementalist, please. There's one really low, get it up. It's on Nevelosa.
I'm on the slag element. I'm on the boss.
Yeah, it's there, it's good. Good, ready to nuke. Nuke. Nice and clean now, guys.
We need them. We need
Really
them.
nuke it. And pop, go. New fire colors up. Get to the green, nuke the fire color.
Is free. Warlord, we have
Come on, get back.
Rest
Range,
rank
okay,
so fast.
Ank.
Back pop. Rest, back pop.
Press him up. One fire color down. If you get melt, place it to the side. Get the last fire color. And get on blue. Iced your melt.
Something.
Don't.
Very bad melt there. Iced, it even called you out. Move the boss back. But it's so fine, keep it up. Fine, stay in the middle, guys, stay in it. Attack on blue if you're ranged, and get the melt on the side.
Give me stack.
Taunting in 2.
Stack on blue if you're ranged. Don't be spread out, make it easier for healers.
You don't
Melt in the middle, move him back, melt in the middle. Move him all the way past blue, please.
Use your personals and health pots.
Something.
Don't.
Move him backwards.
Give me stack.
Taunting in 3.
Just keep placing melt on the side. Move around the ranged. Move him backwards, please. Use your second pots if you haven't yet.
You cool down.
Vigil.
Don't.
Got 3 stacks, right?
Yeah, it's on. It's aggro, yep. Cool down, please. Paints up, paints up. Life cocoon, please. Molly, give me life cocoon.
Good job! Easy,
All
boys.
fucking time, guys. Jesus.
I'm just feeling
But we'll play.
celebration tonight. Celebrate. Don't wait too late.
I can't
Is it
cooldown,
launch
also.
or-
No, you don't stop.
or what?
You don't stop. You don't stop. You don't
So
stop.
we're rolling the second
No,
now.
you don't stop. No, you don't stop. No, you don't stop. No. Oh,
Same Michael. Same Michael.
Well, thanks for the runs, guys. I'm out.
Yeah, thanks man, thanks man.
Cheers, man. Keep in touch, man.
If you want, we're going.
oh yeah.
I think
We
you're safe.
killed him yesterday.
I'm safe for that.
Okay.
I just was here for the lockout and the Tito. See
I'll
you
get
again.
any info.
Ditto.
Oh, you don't stop. You don't stop. You don't stop. You don't stop. No, you don't stop. No, you don't stop. No, you don't stop. No. Oh, oh yeah.
Help for transport?
I'm only joking, but it must be take it.
Bigger for the base.
You think we can
Oh, you don't stop. You don't stop. You don't stop. You don't stop. No, you don't stop.